One very important concept to understand is autism does not present with the similar symptoms in boys and girls. It is true that autism is more common in boys, but recently I have noticed that autism is also getting more common in girls also. So the symptoms of autism in girls are sometimes different. Boys usually present with the classical symptoms of autism like repetitive behavior, social challenges, but sometimes its symptoms are different in girls. And sometimes the girls are good in hiding these symptoms also. So I always say sometimes the girl look like socially okay, but they are struggling inside. So this sometimes make a challenge to diagnose autism in kids, and sometimes the girls remain undiagnosed for a longer time. So first thing is, yes, autism is present in girls also. They can present with different symptoms, and sometimes it is challenging to diagnose autism. What I always say is, it's always better to discuss with someone who is expert, who knows what are the symptoms and how to diagnose autism in girls. But best is if you notice any symptoms or any concern, always discuss with the specialist. Thanks. Have a good day.